Bakit? Hey guys, so we're back with another travel vlog. We're now here in Bali and it's raining. Today is November 9. It's my mom's birthday. So itong trip na to, pinlan ko lang para ma-meet yung whole family. Imagine, ang tagal na namin hindi nakikita. For almost 21 or 22 years, hindi pa kami ulit nakakompleto. Nasa iba't ibang parts kami ng mundo. So, ngayon lang yung time na makakomplete kami. And yeah, I'm excited to see them. But also, November is not the best month to visit Bali kasi maulan. We're on our way to Villa Piece of Peace. So, nabook namin yon through booking.com, and I'm gonna show you and tour you around as always. We're back in the villa. Medyo nag-roam around lang kami kanina. Kasi itong villa na to, paglabas mo ng street, maraming stores, like clothing stores na malapit dito. It's a plus if pupunta kayo dito without any outfits, no problemo. Maraming bilihan, guys. Welcome to Bali! Char! So, kasama na natin si Ate Joanne and we're gonna try nasi goreng. Good morning, guys! So today, pupunta na kami sa airport and now I'm with my sister. Pick up na namin si La Mami. Finally, makakomplete na kami! I'll see you at the airport!
Kanina pa pala kayo nakalabas. Hello po.
Di. Hi ka, hi! Di, ano masasabi mo sa asawa mo? Hey guys, so we're now here at Bali Farmhouse. Unfortunately, it's raining. And yeah, libot namin kayo dito while I'm with my family. Mami, yun na! Ganda oh! Teo! Yes. Ay! Wow! Happy ka, Mami?
Yes, of course. Because we're all together.
Wow! At ano masabi mo, Di? Di?
Ano?
Ano masabi mo? In English si Mami. Labas mo yung New Yorker mo.
Ano?
I love
English
this
ka
moment.
rin.
Oh, sige,
Hi,
sige.
hi viewers.
Kakainis?
We're all in Indonesia, Bali. And we are enjoying the Lord,
Ay!
our God.
Kiss! Kiss! Mickey! Mickey! Eh! Oh. Oh.
Pagod ako.
Pagod ka? We're now here in Jatiluwi. So magka-coffee lang kami. And we'll have this wonderful rice terraces view.
you've been growing day by day. People, getting ready for the new.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Some are happy,
Hindi, gusto niya
some
pala
are
kakanta.
sad. No, we're gonna let the music play.
Aisa.
Oh, listen to the music all the time.
Ulan.
Ulan. When we let the music play all the time.
Stay a little while. Touch me with your smile. Never ever loved no one before you. Pretty, pretty boy of mine. Just tell me you love me too. Tell me you love me too. Uy, ang ganda! Ate, dito tayo!
So we just got back to the villa and it's my time to give gifts. Nabigay ko na yung kay Ate Joanne and yung kay Mommy. I bought them diamond rings and this is what I have for Daddy. Nabigay ko na rin yung gift ko kay Vicky. I also got her a gold ring, but I also got her and her fiancé a wallet and a lippy. Already. Chan 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 chan. Okay ba? Happy yarn?
Happy yarn? Alam mo, pagdating talaga ng 27 talagang kailangan may signature set ka.
The pool is ready!
Nanalagasa eh!
Good morning, guys! So today we're going to Nusa Penida. And nilagyan ako ng lashes ni Vicky. Dito sa dulo lang.
Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa
living area and I'm with my sister.
Ay, sawadika.
Oh.
So, nandito ko sa Indonesia. Feel natin. Pero wala pa itong dito. Pero may Givenchy.
First, second, third. So guys, this is my mother, my youngest sister, and my ate. Oh, mami, ano masabi mo? Sinong pinakamaganda?
I could say you're the most very, very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Ano, malakas ang appeal.
Oh.
Malakas ang appeal.
Ano masabi mo kay Ate Joanne?
Your Ate Joanne is so beautiful.
May background reaction.
And Vicky is very, very social.
Very social. Pa!
Sino ang pinakamaganda sa lahat ng anak mo?
Oh, sige, ikaw na. Para walang gulo.
Masarap ba yung tulog mo?
Oo.
Oo. Mi, bakit mahil ka? Thank you so much. Where are we? Nusa Penida.
Where are you from, guys?
The Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Nice.
Just the best spot, bro. Yeah, okay. Woo! Ano sabi mo kay Daddy?
Alam mo na ang gagawin.
Kiss! Woo! Yeah! Hands up! Yeah! Waki, waki. Lakad, diretso. Okay. Ganon, kaway. Uy! So, asan ka ngayon? Broken Beach.
Okay? 50. Good. What? Good quality.
Tama na, yun.
Okay. Tinatalo na tayo.
We're back, baby!
Sige.
Because here we don't send this electronic, it's more like send for some. Ah, this helps.
Uy, grabe naman. Ang ganda ng kwarto mo. We're now here in Camaya, Bali. And yes, nandito na kami sa Lotus Villa. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya in person. Sobrang ganda talaga. As in, parang hindi totoo. Ganon. Very relaxing yung place. Sobrang cozy. Sakto pa ngayon. Medyo maulan. So, the weather is perfect! masyadong plans. We're just gonna stay here in the villa and yeah, relax. so I just woke up. Morning! Ala, hinahanap ko si Len. Ba't gising ka na? Ha? Puyat na puyat ko kasi may work siya. Kaya in-expect ko, tulog pa. Ala, wala na sa bed. Pagbalik ko. Hey guys, so in a few minutes, gagala na ang mga farsan! Guys, level up na yung family namin. Naka-Google Photos na shared drive na kaya. Hindi na kaya ng isang upload na lang.
So it's only one-way trip. So
One-way
when you don't have to walk.
Susuotan kayo ng sarong. Like this. I can't show you. Meron akong hawak na umbrella. Pero yon, magsusuot kayo ng sarong and then merong ride going up the temple. Pero going down, kailangan nyo mag-walk for like 200 meters. Kakatapos lang namin mag-pray sa taas. So, meron kayong tuturuan nila kayo kung paano mag-pray ang mga Hindu. So, most of the Balinese Hindu sila. So, ayun. Tinuruan nila kayo mag-pray and yan, isa yan sa culture nila. Medyo nakakapagod yung pag-akyat kasi sobrang taas niya, in fairness. Pero may pause naman guys, so okay lang. Relaxing yung prayer and bibigyan din kayo ng time para makapag-meditate. But the one thing that I love is meron silang way ng pagpe-pray. Like, iba siya. Hindi ko siya pwedeng i-video kasi sacred yung place. But it was a nice experience. Hindi ako masyadong salita dito. Like, hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-vlog. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung activity namin and kasama ko yung family ko. So, mas in-enjoy ko lang yung company nila kasi sobrang bihira lang to guys. But I hope madami akong nalagay na helpful information. Morning guys! Today magche-check out na tayo sa Camaya and we're gonna head on to Seminyak. Pero hahatid muna natin si Ate Joanne. She's gonna go back to Chicago!
Let's wait for the sweet. Yeah, it's sweet.
This is our room. So, nandito na tayo sa labas ng Seminyak. So, inaantay pa natin yung photo artist. And we're gonna have lunch first. No, sarap. Busog ako. Sarap, malapit lang to sa pre-sale namin. Ang tawag nila dito sa pork is babi. Babi! Okay guys, nandito tayo sa villa nila Ate Con. Ito yung villa nila.